Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Richelieu number 2215 ABV heavy duty hinge pin door stop in an antique brass finish. I have one removed here from the packaging, and let's take a look at it. Okay, 2215 means this hinge pin door stop. It is going to have a captive swivel plate so that it can account for the different degrees at which the door will make contact with the face of this, and that degree is set by threading the jamb portion in and out. This is going to include a nylon insert that will allow you to change the diameter of which you will insert the hinge pin through. Let's give you those two diameters. I have it inserted on one side, but I can give you the dimension of what it would be without from the other side. So the larger size is going to be 0.295 inch. 0.295 is the diameter. With the washer installed, it's going to be 0.237 inch. 0.237. Let me give you some other dimensional properties. From the center line of the hinge pin to the center line of the pad, you can see it's about 2 inch. Okay. From the center line of the hinge pin to the center line of the frame portion, it's going to be about 1.25 inches. Nice quality item. Certainly going to be very typical and common for residential installations. And this is going to be something you're going to see in homes all the time, because hinge pin door stops are kind of like the Band-Aid sort of door stop. When a baseboard mount isn't appropriate, when a floor mount isn't appropriate, when having an overhead stop is inappropriate for flooring conditions. You might have a hallway and a coat closet door that swings out. Well, it can go 180 degrees because the door is basically flush with the wall, but having a projecting baseboard mount stop in that corridor would not be the best place for something to be sticking out from the wall by 3 inches or so. So a hinge pin door stop is good in that application for a couple of reasons. It's petite, it's small, you're not going to notice it, and it's very rare that that door is going to get opened all the way out to the point where the stop is actually engaged, but you still need to have something installed so as to prevent it from actually overextending. And while, of course, you're not going to be able to allow a door to go 180 degrees with a hinge pin stop, it will allow a very generous amount of degree of opening when it's normally installed. Okay, you're going to be able to take that door and get it out to, I'm just going to guess, 130, 120 degree, something in that range. Okay, looking at it from that sort of angle. This is going to be available in a variety of finishes. This is antique brass. You'll get an antique nickel, black, polished brass, brushed antique copper, brushed chrome, brushed nickel, polished chrome, oil-rubbed bronze, and white. This is, they call, made of metal. It's probably zinc. Zinc is a fairly dense item that allows for a faithful finish to be applied to it. Inexpensive, heavy material that will give you a decent finish. Okay. Nice quality item. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Richelieu products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, along with a link to the product catalog, which is actually a link to the manufacturer's site product catalog page specifically. And if you were to click on that, you will notice in no short selling of the term an outrageous diversity of products. You will be able to find everything from the hardware it takes to have a rolling ladder in a library, to sliding doors, to hinge pin door stops, to contemporary metal hooks that you'll use in a mudroom, all the way to lighting and everything in between. The name Richelieu is synonymous with so many things that it's difficult to have them known as just one particular type of hardware manufacturer, commercial hardware as well. So maybe peruse that catalog link to familiarize yourself with the diversity of what you can get from under that product line. I've reviewed a number of their products, and I've always found their quality to be quite good, and their customer service to be very good, and their shipping times are very good as well. and don't have a reason that I can suggest why you would not familiarize yourself with their catalog. If you have any questions on the Richelieu 2215 ABV heavy-duty hinge pin doorstop in an antique brass finish, or any other Richelieu product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.